Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Okay, today I am going to be trying the KFC chicken donut or donut chicken sandwich, however you want to say it. Yeah, and I have Paris here as well. Paris, say hey. Look in the camera. She looking at the food. Look in the camera. Say hey. This girl here, a drool fanatic. This girl knows she can drool. Probably because she might be teasing. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, the donut is really soft. It's full of glaze, as y'all can see. The glaze is dripping off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna take my first bite and let you guys know it's good. This donut is really soft for real. Y'all look at this. This is ridiculous. You see the glaze just dropping from the. You see that? It's too much sweetness. Teeth already bad. I would have tried this with Mel, but Mel said it's too sweet for him. He don't want to try it. Look at that. Too much sweetness. It's alright. It ain't nothing I go buy. To be honest, it's too big, so I'm gonna just eat it like this. Y'all, this probably be the last time I go out and eat them. This coronavirus thing is getting serious. For real. Like, it's getting to the point where it's good, it's just too big. I can't eat it together. People is going out buying. All the supplies, including toilet paper. I had to get Mel and I went to Walmart yesterday, or the day before yesterday, one or the other. I had to get the flushable wipes because people so greedy, they just getting all the toilet paper. And then make it so bad. The economy is so messed up to people went and bought all the Lysol, all the hand sanitizer, and putting it online, selling it for just ridiculous. Y'all bought hand sanitizer for $1. The little hand sanitizer like this, like what you see your kids, you put on a keychain or something like that. I just went on Amazon. They selling the hand sanitizer this big for $10 for one. Bless me, Lord Jesus. That is ridiculous. And then I go online to see what store has hand sanitizer in stock. Guess what? One of the dollar hand sanitizer that they sell in Dollar Tree, they selling it online for $49.95. I kid you not. $49.95. Lysol A man on eBay selling one can of Lysol for $12. $12. This is a life and death situation. I understand they is a little too much prepared to where they went and bought out majority of everything in the store and selling it 3 times more than what it's 40 times more, because that hand sanitizer is ridiculous. I started to leave a comment. $49.95 for $1 hand sanitizer. Don't sit there and feed that dog that chicken. You won't eat nothing else. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, like, this is getting ridiculous to the point, like, I feel bad. I feel bad for those people. I know everybody trying to make their little money or whatever, but that's the wrong way to do it. Like, this is a serious matter. People need this stuff, and y'all going clearing out the stores. You could have just got 2 or 3 or whatever you need. You didn't need to go buy the whole thing and then retry to sell it. You not do all that. But yeah, this chicken and donut is really good. I wouldn't buy it personally because every time I eat sweet stuff or cold stuff, it bothers my teeth. So that's my sister hussing me out. But yeah, it is getting crazy. People. You don't know who got this virus. Be precautious. It takes days, probably a week and a half before, maybe 2 weeks, before it can show up in your system stating that you have it. It start off as a minor cold. You have a little small cold, and it only gets better before it gets worse. So once your cold starting seems like it's going away, boom, you got the flu. Then your flu start getting a little better, then boom, you got pneumonia. Now with this pneumonia, is up to your body to see if it can take that, like if you can breathe through that. Other than that, I'm gonna try to go play with your mama.
What?
This girl bit my finger. What you talking about? But this is crazy, you guys. But be careful, you all. Be careful no matter what store you go in, what job you go on, hospital, anything. Make sure you wash your hands at all times. Be precautious. Be very, very careful. Any little mistake you touch this and then run back to your face with it or your nose, anything, boom, it's going right where it want to go in, down into your lungs, and it connects onto that. Be careful. Touch anything, wash your hands, sanitize your hands if you can't get close to a sink. All right, guys. I just want to let y'all know to be very, very careful. This stuff is serious. Like, it's getting serious, and now people is so selfish to the point that they taking all the Lysol, they taking all the hand sanitizer, they taking all the cleaning supplies, what you need to clean, like spray and be. I don't know, guys, but just be careful. Until I see y'all again, be safe out there, and please, please, please wash your hands and sanitize your hands. See you guys in another video. Bye. Paris, say bye. Say bye. Say bye, mama. Tell them bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye.